Are you tired of feeling held back by a low credit score? Hi, my name is Jethro Adedeji. I'm the founder and CEO of Crown Credit. For years, I've helped people just like you to overcome their credit challenges, secure better interest rates, and achieve their financial goals. Whether you're looking to buy your first car or home, or start up a business to get funding, or just simply reduce stress from high interest debt, it all starts with having better credit. Credit these days is the key to everything. Our personalized credit strategies and one-on-one guidance not only help you to boost your score, but also to open new financial doors. If you're ready to take the next step, what I want you to do first is scroll down, read some of our Google reviews, check out our previous wins that we've had for clients, see what we've been able to do, see our track record, and then if all of that looks good, book a consultation with me. The purpose of the consultation is really to discover more and find out about what's going on. Because the truth is that sometimes just talking to someone about your situation and what you're going through is all the help you really need. So let's get started. A better credit score, a better life, it's only one conversation away.